Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this linked list problem. So what we are what we get is so we need to remove the duplicates from the linked list. So what it means is simple. So we have in this linked list all we need to do is removing the duplicate. So we have 1133 So in the end we should have only single digits like 1 1 and 1 3 like 4 5 6. So this is the question. So this is the input and this is the output. So first thing what we have to do is okay. So what are the different ways to do this problem? So the brute force approach is to like keep all of them like keep iterate through this linked list. Keep all of them, keep track of the numbers in a hash map or something. And when you get that hash map, when you get a number inside the hash map, it means it's repeated. So you need to remove that one. And then you go on. And then again, if you get on, if the number is not there in hash map, you add it. And if you get the same number again, you you know that it is a repetition, so you take out that number. So one is again one is already present, so you need to take out this one. So and then you go on like this, yeah. So this is the brute force approach. So in the end we'll get this one, but there are better ways to do this, like for example without using the hash map and stuff. So let me show you how to do that one. So first thing is we are going to put two pointers here. Okay, so this approach is more efficient. So we are going to put left pointer, we are going to put right pointer. So what we are going to do here is, so first thing we are going to check if LP is equal to RP, if both are equal. So if not, okay. So one more important thing to remember in this question is they are all sorted in order. So they are in ascending order. So this is a very important point. So that will help us solve the problem more optimally. So yeah, as you can see, all of them are sorted in ascending order. So here is this. I've taken a similar example and it is sorted. So LP and RP. So now since we have this part, so what we can do is we need to compare both of them. So LP is equal to RP, then we need to remove it. So since it's equal, we need to remove it, and then after removing, after removing, we get one. After removing one, we get 1 and 3. Okay, and then we need this one should be pointing to one itself, so it should come to LP, and so this one should be RP, right? Like this. So like this, it goes on next. After that, we move LP to RP, LP dot next and RP dot next. And again, we need to check if they're equal, and if they're equal, we need to remove. So this is how we do it. Let me do that one. So now we have, so next steps after removing one, we will be having these 3 and 4. Okay. So now when we remove this one, we need to do RP dot next will come here. Again, these both are not equal. So so we are going to do LP dot next. LP will come here and RP will come over here. So now again these both are equal, so we need to remove this 3. So in the end, after removing this 3, okay, RP should point to the next one. So it should come over here. So will be having 1, 3, and 4, and 4, 4, right? So now again it will point to LP here as what I have written here, and RP will point to 4, LP will point to 3, RP will point to 4. They are not equal, so we'll go one step ahead. So again, we will have one. Okay. it's this. Yeah, so now we are going to be left with, I'll just do it over here. Okay, so now LP was here, RP was here, so it will just go to one step further, 4 and 4. Now they are also equal, so in the end we remove this one, so it will be 1, 3 and 4. So this is how we are going to do that one. So let me write the steps. Yeah, I mean the steps are this much only, so let's go to the code directly. So let me define first before I just define the head. Linked list head is equal to linked list. Okay, so now after this, this is the head. We're pointing this one. So next we're going to do linked list LP is equal to linked list. Okay, next I'm going to do linked list RP is equal to LP dot next. So we are just adding the initial L pointer and R pointer. So after this, while, so we need to go on until RP is null. See over here, when it comes to null, we stopped, right? So while RP is not equal to null, RP is not equal to null, keep it going. So what we can do here is, if LP dot value is equal to R, LP dot value is equal to RP dot value, remove, we have to remove. So just create this variable node to be removed is equal to uh, RP. So not to be removed is RP. So when we are removing this node, first thing what we have to do, LP dot next will point to LP dot next. This one LP dot next, this one will point to RP's next, right? This is nothing but RP's next. LP dot next is equal to RP dot next, right? And then now RP is also, so now RP dot next is also pointing to thing. So we should just remove this one. So RP dot next is equal to null. rp.next is none. Okay, and now even that one, yeah, that's it. So now with this, so and if they are not equal, for example, if 1 and 3 is not equal, right? What did we do? We just put lp.next and rp.next. So lp is equal to lp dot next, rp is equal to rp dot next. That's it. So yeah, that's it. So in the end, we will return head, return this head linked list, whatever this head which is pointing over here. So yeah, let's see this. Spelling mistake. Some of the test cases are failing. Why are they failing? Okay, expected one, three, four, four. It's not removing. Okay, okay, I got to know the mistake, guys. So after we made lp dot, after this step lp dot next, lp.next we made it point to rp's next, right? So as soon as we do that, rp now must also point to this one, right? See, as over here, like rp must be pointing to 3 now after doing this thing. rp must come, rp must come over here. So as soon as we do this step, we just have to do rp is equal to rp dot next. So yeah, it will come to this state now. One is pointing to 3, and yeah, so as soon as you remove this one, it will come here. Now we are comparing LP with, now we are comparing 1 and 3. Before we were comparing to this only. So now let's check. Okay, one. Okay, see, now I got to know the mistake what it is happening. So it is happening. So if LP is equal to RP, we are doing all this. Only if they are not equal, we need to do this one. Only if they are not equal, we need to, if they are equal, we need to do this, or else we need to do this one, either this or this one. So now what is happening, as soon as it comes here, it comes to else also. I mean, it comes to this part also. So we need to either execute this one or this one, right? So we just put an else. Okay, okay, it's failing. Oh shit, we are doing. It should be not to be. This is the not to be removed, right? If it is equal, this is the not to be removed, right? So this one is the not to be removed. So we need to make this pointer, this one, point to null, this arrow mark over here. So this is not RP. If I put RP, then RP will become null. So I should do not to be removed dot next is equal to null. That's why I have created this variable. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is the problem to the solution. Very easy solution. So yeah, thank you for watching.